What's the meaning of cavil? Cavil. Cavil.
Cavil. Cavil. Cavil means to make petty or unnecessary objections or criticisms. It often involves finding fault with something without good reason, or focusing on minor details instead of the bigger picture. People who cavil may also be overly argumentative or nitpicky, which can lead to conflicts or disagreements. Ultimately, caviling is unhelpful and unproductive, as it does not contribute to solving problems or making progress. It's important to distinguish between constructive feedback and unhelpful caviling in order to effectively communicate and work towards common goals.